guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog. And for today's recipe, it is a very good chocolate chip cookies recipe using olive oil. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! Mix 2.5 cups of enriched flour with 1 teaspoon baking soda and a pinch of fine sea salt. This is 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil with 1 cup of brown sugar and half cup of regular white granulated sugar. Beat in 1 egg at a time. Until just combine. Now we're gonna add in our dry ingredients. Add in 1 tablespoon of Mexican vanilla blend and 1 teaspoon of almond extract. Add in 200 grams of mini chocolate chips. Just fold in nicely. Using ice cream scooper or cookie scooper, drop by 1 scoop onto ungreased pan. You can bake it as is or you can press down a little with fork. It's up to you. These cookies do not spread, so you can have round chocolate chip cookies or you can press it a little. Now bake cookies at preheated 350 Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. These are the ones that aren't pressed. Take out from the oven. Cool it for 5 minutes on the pan and then move it to cooling rack. For softer cookies, once it's out of the oven, right away move it to cooling rack. But for crispy cookies, leave it on the rack, on the baking pan and let it stay for 5 minutes.